Namili tayo guys. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung grocery na. So, how much bag ate girl yung kailangan natin i-budget for grocery? I normally do Reve and then ALD. ALD yung mga meat, mga flesh, ganyan. Kasi mas nakakamura ako kumpara sa Reve or kaya sa Edeka. They say, no, na sabi sa ALD, sa Lidl, ganyan, mga mura, mas mura kasi yung prices nila compared sa Reve or Edeka or Familia nga. Sabi, pangit daw yung qualities, ganyan. I normally check itong mga Nutri-Score na to, ganyan. You can see, it's A. Pero, one time, nanood ako ng documentary in which finerglash nila yung same product sa iba't ibang grocery. Ay, parang pinaglalaroan lang tayo, girl. Charot. So, yan. We also bought here penny for pasta option. Kasi no, parang sinasabi na rice is life, ganyan. Totoo naman. Talagang pag nasa Pilipinas ako, kakain ako ng rice. Pero, you would realize it na nakakabusog din naman pala yung ibang option. Hindi lang tayo familiar sa umpisa. So, maybe explore those kind of options din. Marami akong different options if I want some carbs, ganyan. I can do sweet potato, or I can do whole grain rice, or I can do couscous, bulgur, whatever. Ito mo sa likod ko, girl. Meron din akong nabili. Kasi summer, and we really have a good view sa balcony. Limoncello on the side. Charot. Pero hindi naman to yung everyday. I barely drink. Pero there was a phase, lalo na nung bago ako dito sa Germany. Kasi mura nga, di ba? Yung mga alcohol, mura yung wine. Parang every weekend mag-explore ako niya ng wine, mga rosé, mga white wine, red wine, Sauvignon Blanc, mga ganyan. Parang, Pero it was, back then. Hindi na ngayon. So, again, we have the tomato, knoblauch, zwiebel, butter, bus na, wala na tayo. Hummus, I also have here. Tsaran, salmon. So, madali na kasi ganito eh. Tapos, i-half mo na lang siya. Meron tayo ng bagong olive oil. Hindi kami yung masyadong namili ng mga chips, chocolates, whatever. Maybe on a weekend na nagki-crave, pero hindi siya yung madalas. So, in total, here's our bill. Yeah, there you go. So, it's a total of 52 euro and 31 cents. If I will take down yung limoncello, I'll remove this leaven ul kasi hindi naman nga siya yung usual weekly grocery na ginagawa namin. Then, it would just be around like 42. Not bad. I am more into doing protein, less carb, and then more veggies, mga ganyan. So, papakita ko na lang sa inyo kung how would I prepare this week. The most important for me is that yung mga flesh is naluto na siya. Kung ano marinate lang din. So, basta na-prepare na siya and then add ka na lang ng vegetables, whatever. Parang madali yung buhay. Kasi especially Monday to Friday, no, we are both working. I don't want na yung night ko is luluto pa ako. Gusto ko nakaprepare na lahat. Maybe I would, halimbawa Wednesday yung kalahati na ng week, no? Pero hindi yung everyday magluluto tayo. Ay, naku, may time ka din dapat sa ibang bagay. Charot. So, let me show you kung ano yung mga pinamili natin. So, first one, this one, Reader Carpaccio. This is something that we don't do or we don't buy regularly. But the reason na binili ko to is if, for example, we go sa park, no? At least makaka-prepare ka quickly ng sandwich. Or, I do have 2 spitins, I think this week. So, I would come home around past 8 p.m. Ayoko na ng heavy meal. So, gusto ko lang ng sandwich, ganyan. Kasi around 10 p.m., matutulog ka na naman ulit, diba? So, that's why I have it for this week. Parmigiano. This is to do with the sandwich as well. Sa Pilipinas, diba, pag nakabili ka ng parmesan, parang, ay, yung spaghetti, may parmesan. Social naman ito, no? Pero powdered lang yun. So, it's not really the real parmesan. Dito, Europe, since sobrang dami ng sort of cheese na matitikman mo talaga naman. The thing with cheese, kahit hindi mo ito maubos, girl, for the week, pwede mo yung ilagay sa fridge and it will last for a few months or a year. Yogurt. Yung partner ko, ay, napakahilig sa yogurt. Just color. Fresh queso for the bread and mozzarella as I have. citronen. Ooh, I also like this one. Das pure tuna. Sobrang sarap niya. Mahilig kami pareho sa tuna. Large yung binigay ni Kuya for salad. So, that's why I have this. Para hindi ka na mahirapan. Doon ka na sa ready-made. We have your bagel. May ng Oatly. Kasi Oatly is also expensive. When it comes sa lasa, gusto namin to pareho. Ito na lang yung luho namin kumbaga. So, that's done. Rucola? Ooh, rucol. And I also bought this burrito ko from Rebes, the Fertigus Essen, because you have everything na. You have your carbs as sweet potato, you have your protein as chicken, and veggies as broccoli. So, ayun lang. So, that's it. I do block Sunday afternoon to cook our meals for the week na. So, busy yung kitchen natin, guys, since I simultaneously cook lahat ng meat namin. This kind of method works for me kasi meat naman, diba, takes time to cook. So, pag na-ready mo na yung meat, dadagdagan mo na lang ng veggies or salad on the side, 15 minutes preparation. Not bad. It's still low effort for me. And sa totoo, it's easy to eat healthy, diba, kasi alam mo may pagkain ka na sa ref, kesa you would choose delata or processed food. Minsan, diba, lalo na pag hectic sa work, wala ka ng mental capacity to think ano yung uulamin mo for that day. But since naka-ready na nga lahat, onting init na lang, ayun, busog ka na. This part is just organizing. Since na-ready ko na lahat ng meat, lalagay ko na lang siya sa meal prep container namin and ready na siya as packed lunch for the whole week. So the whole process of me cooking took about 1.5 hours. To show you how I plate our lunch and dinner na effortless na under divoka kasi nagpagod na ako kumbaga ng weekend sa pagluluto. Kung masawain ka sa food, paano ko din siya rinorotate? Let me know too kung paano kayo mag-meal prep or ano yung madalas yung niluluto pag work mode kayo. During the week naman, especially when I have early shift, I do eat breakfast na, pero yung simple lang. The thing with my type of work, hindi ko sure minsan kung hectic yung dadatnan ko. Ayoko ng stress na ganun. Kaya for me, it's best na nakain na kahit papano. It's either overnight oats or bread and egg. However, pag weekend naman, I do take time to prepare my breakfast and explore new recipe kasi I want to take it slow. Thank you.
There are times, diba, na pag uwi mo galing a long day, parang gusto mo na lang talaga magpahinga. So, ayoko na idagdagan yung stress ko for the week by that mental load of thinking kung ano pa yung kakainin ko since weekend pa lang. Ready na siya. Over time, as you explore more recipes, meron ka na niya ng mga go-to quick recipes under 15 minutes, ano yung gusto mong salad. I just copy yung mga recipes din sa Pinterest like this cucumber tomato mozzarella salad, and I also lean on more sa mga Asian dressings. I thought dati napaka-boring ng salad, hindi ko lang pala na-explore pa masyado. And this carrot salad is what I also prepared this week.
Taran! So this is carrots, tapos cabbage, tapos cucumber, and naghalo-halo lang ako. Ininit ko lang ulit din yung chicken na ginawa natin nung Sunday, no? So ayan, very fresh ulit, kaya masarap ulit yan.
So, ayun lang yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo today. Let me know if ikaw din ba stress sa pagluluto for the week, and I hope in a way nakatulong to sa'yo. Salamat sa panonood. This has been Odyssey, and I'll see you in the next. Cheers!